Welcome to our exclusive professional culinary masterclass. Today, we delve into the sophisticated art of French gastronomy as we prepare a luxury foie gras terrine. This iconic dish is a staple of Michelin-star dining, requiring patience, precision, and the highest quality ingredients to achieve its world-renowned silky texture and rich flavor. Our journey begins in the controlled environment of a professional kitchen. The atmosphere here is one of quiet focus and intense dedication to the culinary craft. Notice the clean lines and organized workstations in a professional setting. The preparation of the environment is just as important as the preparation of the food. Before us lies the centerpiece, a whole raw duck liver of exceptional quality. Its pale pinkish beige hue and remarkably smooth texture are hallmarks of a premium product. We ensure the liver is at the correct temperature before handling. This allows it to remain pliable, which is essential for the delicate steps that follow. The first step is the meticulous process of divining. Using a small, sharp knife, we carefully separate the lobes to locate the central vein network. Every vein must be removed with surgical precision to ensure a perfectly smooth finish. We take care not to damage the delicate structure of the liver. Once cleaned, the foie gras is ready for its primary seasoning. We begin with a slow, even sprinkle of fine sea salt across the entire surface. Next, we add freshly ground white pepper. We use white pepper specifically to maintain the pristine, uniform color of the terrine once it is cooked. To elevate the flavor profile, we pour a generous splash of aged Armagnac. This traditional French spirit adds a deep, complex sweetness to the dish. The alcohol helps to cut through the richness of the fat as it coats the liver. The aromas of oak and dried fruit begin to fill the air. The liver is now placed into a clean bowl for the marination phase. This is a critical step that allows the seasonings to penetrate deeply. We cover the bowl tightly with plastic film. This prevents oxidation and ensures the delicate flavors of the Armagnac are locked into the meat. After marinating, we begin packing the foie gras into a ceramic terrine mold. The goal is to eliminate any air pockets for a dense finish. Every layer is pressed down firmly. A uniform pack is essential for achieving the clean, professional slices we expect from a Michelin star preparation. The mold is now placed into a bain-marie. This water bath provides a gentle, indirect heat that protects the delicate fats during the cooking process. We slide the tray into a preheated oven. Cooking at a low temperature is the secret to maintaining the liver's legendary buttery. Consistency. To ensure absolute precision, we use a digital thermometer. We are looking for an internal core temperature of exactly 50 degrees Celsius. This specific temperature ensures the foie gras is perfectly pasteurized while remaining incredibly tender. It is the hallmark of professional technical mastery. Once reached, the terrine is removed. We immediately place weights on top of the liver. This pressing process helps to solidify the shape as it cools under weight. Any excess fat is forced to the surface, and the liver structure becomes compact and uniform for perfect slicing. To seal and preserve the terrine, we pour a layer of clarified foie gras fat over the top. This creates a beautiful, golden protective barrier. This layer not only adds a stunning aesthetic, but also prevents any air from reaching the liver, maintaining its freshness and vibrant color. Service begins with preparing our tools. We dip a sharp knife into warm water to ensure a perfectly clean and effortless cut. A hot blade is essential when working with high-fat dishes. It melts through the chilled terrine without tearing the delicate meat. Observe the first slice. The knife glides through the terrine, revealing the flawless interior texture we worked so hard to achieve. The interior is consistent and smooth, with no air gaps. This is the result of proper technical execution during the packing and pressing stages. We complete the presentation with Michelin star plating. The slice is accompanied by toasted brioche and a delicate walnut vinaigrette salad. The toasted brioche provides a necessary crunch, while the acidity of the vinaigrette perfectly balances the intense richness of the foie gras. The final dish is a masterpiece of French culinary tradition. It represents the perfect harmony of high-quality ingredients and disciplined technique. Thank you for joining this masterclass. We hope you now have the insight and inspiration to master the art of the luxury foie gras terrine.